I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the wall texture and choosing lining paper that hides peaks. Apply a quality primer sealer to stabilize surface oils and improve adhesion. Let it dry fully. Next, you paste and hang heavy-duty lining paper. This is the only reliable way to flatten texture before wallpaper. Use a broad wallpaper brush to smooth from the center outward and ensure full contact. Once the lining is secure, trim excess and let it set before the next step. With lining paper in place, you hang wallpaper as you normally would but expect different tension. Pre-paste the paper or apply paste to the wall per the product instructions. This ensures proper slip and repositioning. Carefully align seams and use a seam roller gently to seat edges without squeezing paste out. Smooth with a brush from center to edges, watching for trapped air. Once tacky, trim top and bottom with a fresh blade and clean paste. Residue you finish by letting the installation dry slowly for 24 to 48 hours. Control humidity to prevent bubbles. If a seam lifts, inject a little adhesive under the edge, press with a seam roller, and use painter's tape as a clamp until it dries. For persistent texture telegraphing, you may need to sand high spots on the lining and apply a second lining coat before reapplying wallpaper. This is rare but effective. Finally, inspect all seams and clean edges for a professional look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.